the radar that there are thunder reports inside of this snow band moving its way through. And some of the areas that look like they're...
Yes! Yes!
Oh,
yes! We got it, baby!
Go,
we
go!
got it! We got it! Woo! Woo! We got it!
Okay.
Yes!
Can I...
Listen to that!
Thunder snow.
Listen to that!
Thunder snow, Jamie.
Oh, baby!
Thunder.
But let me say something. See, if he had listened to me...
Number 5! Number 5! That's number 5, baby! Yes!
I see.
Yes! Woo!
Now, I had told him it was coming. He shouldn't be that surprised, right? That band of snow has thunder
Yeah,
in it.
Marcel, you're right. You're never wrong, man. Remind me to kiss you when I get home. Oh, my goodness. Woo!
Let me go to that lightning
You know what?
strike.
Feel the wind. Feel the wind. Just like in a thunderstorm in the summer, guys. You can just feel the wind coming like a downburst.
There's the radar. You want to put the radar inside there? I have the radar.
Holy smoke. Oh, man. That was we're just getting creamed right now.
Let's go to the
We just
radar.
had that thunder snow.
Boom, right there, right over Plymouth. You can see
Look at that. Boom! Boom!
Yeah, it's a band of thunderstorm. But be careful, right? I mean, you got to be really careful. Lightning kills. So some of these maybe cloud ground lightning strikes. There's always that risk. But hang on, Jim. You got a rough ride going. And we also have Reynolds, who's up.
Yeah, we should mention that. We don't wish that on anybody. And but I got to tell you guys, just to be in that place when that happens, it's epic. It's absolutely epic. It's the atmosphere at its best. At its best. So, Wolfman, here we are. You get thunder in Boston and lightning on TV. Here I am. We get thunder and lightning on TV. It doesn't get much better than that, baby.
Man, it is absolutely primal. It is absolutely primal. The atmosphere is juiced, and we've certainly seen all kinds of things happen. I mean, just belching snow for the time being. It is unbelievable to witness this morning.